Every seller wants that one thing when they sell their home: how to net the most money. Here are 5 tips to make that happen. And the first thing you want to do, and it's one of the easiest thing you can do, and you can start doing this way ahead of selling your home, is to start decluttering. When people buy a house, they buy space. So by you decluttering, getting rid of stuff that you're not going to use, getting rid of stuff that you don't use and you want to donate it away, as you declutter, you are creating more space, you are making your home more inviting. And people love to see homes with more space, and that is inviting. Get rid of all the stuff you don't need. Think about your excess furniture, things in the kitchen you don't use, things in the room that has been lying around, your decor that is old, or anything that's outdated and not add value to the house. Just take them down and make your home feel inviting. Decluttering a house helps buyers envision themselves in the space. Remember, less is more. Make your home feel open and spacious. It's what all the buyers want. The second thing you can do, and this is very important, is start depersonalizing your home. So one, it's for security. When we take pictures, and all homes when they're sold now has lots of pictures, lots of videos. So we don't want to show your pictures or your kids' pictures or your family photos. So for security reasons, you want to get rid of them or take them down. But the other reason is, when a buyer walks into your house, they want to feel how their family pictures will look on the wall, how their pictures or their kids or their parents' pictures will look on the wall and not yours. So by depersonalizing things, as you declutter, take out your family pictures, your sports memorabilia, your paintings that you've done, you are going to be packing anyways. So as you are decluttering, as you are taking down your pictures, family pictures, personal pictures, start packing them in a box, label them that you want these in room number 1 or room number 2, or pack them in a box where it's going to be trash if it's old and outdated and damaged, or pack it in a box where it says donations and give it away to an organization or friends or family. Box up those personal touches for now and make the space feel neutral and welcoming to anyone who walks through. The third thing you can do is dress up your home, or what we call in realtor terms is stage your home. And this is one of the most overlooked things to do. And I'm not saying go hire a stager and pay $5,000, $2,000. You can do this on your own with a little moving around, taking things out, and you'll see the difference in the home when you stage it or rearrange things in the house, in the living room, in the kitchen, etc. Rearrange furniture to maximize flow. Add a fresh throw pillows to touch your couch, and maybe set the dining tables as if you're hosting a nice dinner. If you notice, all these tips does not cost you anything at all. Of course, you're welcome to hire somebody and make it more professional, but the tips I'm giving you cost you not much, and this will add to your net income that you're looking for. So these are great tips. I've got 2 more to go. So stick around with me. I'm Mike Patel. I appreciate you watching my videos. And by the way, when it comes to dressing up your home, think about creating moments that make buyers fall in love with the lifestyle your home offers. It's all about those wow first impressions. 4th tip, and this is a big one: deodorize your home. Smells can make or break a sale. You might not notice odors in your home, but buyers definitely will. Open windows to air out the space, deep clean carpets, and take out the trash before every showing. And way before you put your home on the market, start deodorizing, start putting candles in there. If you are a fan of cooking, you might have a lot of spices that you use. You might do a lot of frying. So there's odors. If you're a smoker, if you have a lot of medications in the home, if you have pets in the home, all these odors linger around and you get used to it. So before you start selling, give it a month, 2 months to deodorize. Put candles, put incense, open windows, do whatever you can to deodorize. It goes a long, long way. And another pro tip: avoid overpowering air fresheners. Instead, aim for clean and neutral scents that won't overwhelm buyers. They want natural smells, not artificial. And the 5th tip, this usually comes on just before you put your home on the market, is deep clean your house. Of course, as you are depersonalizing and decluttering and moving things around, you're going to be cleaning your house. But when it comes time to take pictures and showing for open house or a big mega open house, you want to deep clean. Either do it yourself, which is free, or call professional cleaners that may cost you. But when was the last time you cleaned the bulbs or the lamps or your drapes or sparkling clean your faucets. All these little details will show up in your photography and in the video, and people will notice it, especially in your first showings. So these critical things are very important. Deep cleaning is one of them. Buyers will notice and appreciate a sparkling home, clean windows, clean baseboards, clean bathrooms, and appliances until everything shines. Don't forget those hard to reach spots. Deep cleaning may take some elbow grease and getting on your knees, but it's 100% worth it and it's free. When the buyers walk in your home, they will think this place has been well cared for. That's exactly the impression you want to leave. The first tip was on decluttering. I did a video a few weeks ago, and if you want to see how to declutter and some tips on decluttering, please watch this video coming up at the end. So if you are thinking about selling your home, whether it's in few months or a few years, start decluttering, depersonalizing, cleaning. These steps will go a long way, and it's absolutely guaranteed that you will get a lot more price, you'll sell it a lot faster, and you will have less hassle selling your home with these 5 tips that I gave you. Hopefully you use it, and hopefully it was useful to you. Thanks for watching.